Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus drive full-time jobs for 2022-21, 2020 batch. Johnson Controls, Raytheon Technologies, Sanmina Corporation and Advanced Business and Healthcare Services are hiring for the different engineering roles. So without any delay, let's start the video. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it for the latest off-campus job opportunities and all the onboarding, date of joining related queries. So let's start the video. The first opportunity is from Johnson Controls. They are hiring for the role of graduate engineering trainee. Location will be Mumbai. If we talk about the job details, performs assigned responsibilities as a part of a program focused on training for a particular job. So if we talk about the eligibility criteria, then all BE, BTech, ME, MTech of all branches are eligible to apply for this job. Experience will be 0 to 1 year of experience. It means 2022 and 21 batch students can apply for this job. The second opportunity is from Raytheon Technologies. They are hiring for the role of associate engineer. Location will be Bangalore. Experience will be 1 to 3 years. So minimum 1 year of experience is needed to apply for this job. Eligibility criteria is BE, BTech, ME, MTech in only mechanical branch students can apply for this job. Primary skills which are needed to apply for this job is mechanical product design and development. You should have a good understanding in CAD technologies and PLM tools. So these are some of the benefits which you will be availing it after joining as a full-time employee in this company. You will be getting a term life insurance, health insurance, personal accident insurance, entitled for 22 days of vacation and 7 days of contingency leave annually. Employee scholar program, work-life balance is there, national pension scheme, LTA, fuel and maintenance charges will be given, meal vouchers and many more. The third opportunity is from Sanmina Corporation. They are hiring for the role of graduate trainee. Location will be Chennai. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, then all BE, BTech, ME, MTech in CSIT, MCA, MSc with aggregate percentage of 70% marks in class 10th, 12th and graduate. Selection process will be based on written test, group discussion and personal interview. The fourth opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is from Advanced Business and Healthcare Services. They are hiring for the role of trainee software engineer. Location will be Ahmedabad. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, then 2022 pass out students from computer science and IT can only apply for this job. There should be minimum 60% marks throughout your academic credentials in 10th, 12th and in graduation. So as a fresher, when you will be hired in this company, you have to do the following task: develop client-side and server-side code, build frameworks, develop and manage well-functioning database and data, deliver enhancement and support for multiple products, test software and its efficiency, troubleshoot, debug and upgrade software, create security and data protection settings. What we do for you. So these are some of the benefits which are given by the company to a full-time employee. Generous annual leave, 20 days leave excluding the public holidays, summer Fridays, every Friday afternoon off throughout July and August, life insurance, 3x time annual salary, top achievers club, 65% internal mobility, exposure to the latest technology. So yes, these are some of the recruitment drive which are hiring for the various engineering roles. If you are interested as per your skill set and as per your eligibility criteria, you can apply for this job. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get the latest job updates. And if you have any query regarding the eligibility criteria or the recruitment drive, so please comment down below. I will try to give the response as soon as possible. Thank you.